Hi, good day everyone. I'm Romie Francisco and now I will discuss to you the cone of experience by Edgar Day. Cone of experience is to get acquainted with various instructional media which form part of the system approach to instruction. If you remember the 8 M's of instruction, one element is media and another is material. Media and material. These two M's, media and material, are actually the elements of the cone of experience that I will discuss. This is the cone of experience. First is the verbal symbol. Next to verbal is the symbol. Next to visual symbol is the recordings, radio, and still pictures. Next to radio, recordings, and still pictures is the motion pictures. Next to the motion pictures is the educational television. Next to educational television is the exhibits. Next to exhibits is the study trips. Next to study trips is the demonstration rather. Next to the demonstration is the dramatized experience. And next to dramatized experience is the contrived experience. And lastly is the direct purposeful experience. As you can see, at the top of the cone is the verbal symbol because the cone of experience is a visual model, a pictorial device that presents bands of experience arranged according to the degree of abstraction and not the degree of difficulty. The farther you go from the bottom of the cone, the more abstract the experience becomes. What are these bands of experience in Dale's cone of experience? It is best to look back at the cone itself, but let us expound on each of them, starting with the most direct. Direct purposeful experience. Direct purposeful experience are first-hand experiences which serve as the foundation of our learning. Direct purposeful experience is the foundation of learning. We build up our server on meaningful information and ideas through seeing, hearing, touching, tasting, and smelling are the 5 senses. In the context of the teaching-learning process, it is learning by doing. So it means that if direct purposeful experience, our first-hand sensory experiences, makes us learn concept and skills effectively. What does this imply to the teaching-learning process? First, let us give our students opportunities to learn by doing. Second, let us immerse our students in the world of experience. Let us make use of real things as instructional materials for as long as we can. Third, let us help the students develop the 5 senses to the full to heighten their sensitivity to the world. Fourth, let us guide our students so that they can have meaning from their first-hand experience and elevate their level of thinking. Next to the contrived experience is the direct purposeful experience is the contrived experience. Contrived experiences, here we make use of representation of or representative model or mock-ups of reality. Representation. Representation or mock-ups of reality for practice reason, and so that we can make the real life accessible to the student's perception and understanding. For example, if we are teaching about the solar system, it is good that you are going to travel in the outer space in order to see the planets revolving the sun? Of course no, because it is impossible. You can use representative model like the planetarium so that your students fully understand the solar system. Next to the contrived experience is the dramatized experiences. Dramatized experiences, this is by dramatizers, we can participate in a instructed experience even though the original is far removed from us in time. For example, we want our students fully understand what is the role of the teachers in school. Give them opportunity to act the drama about teachers so that they can feel what the teachers are. By doing that, they can learn that being a teacher is not an easy job. Next, to dramatize the experience is the demonstration. Demonstration, it is a visualized explanation. Visualized explanation. It is a visualized explanation of an important fact, idea, or process by the use of photograph, drawings, films, displays, or guided motion. It is showing how things are done. For example, in physical education, the teacher shows the class how to dance tango. By the demonstration of a teacher, the students can now learn how to dance tango. Next to the demonstration is the study trips. Study trips, are excursions and visits is conducted to observe an event that is unavailable within the classroom. It is an excursion. Excursion visits. Next to the study trips is the exhibits. Exhibits, these are displays to be seen by spectator. They may consist of working models, charts, and posters. Sometimes exhibits are for your eyes only. There are some exhibits, however, that include sensory experiences where spectators are allowed to touch or manipulate models displayed. Next is this motion and educational television. Television and motion pictures can reconstruct the reality of the past so effectively we are made to feel we are there. The unique value of the message communicated by film and television lies their feeling in realism. Next is the still pictures, recording, and radio. These are the visual and auditory devices may be used by an individual or a group. Visual and auditory. Next is the visual symbol. Visual symbols are no longer realistic reproduction of physical things, for they are highly abstract representation. Example of this are charts, graphs, and graphs. Next, the visual symbol is the verbal symbol. These are written words. Example of this are the formulas, books, and ideas. The lines here of the cone of experience are separate. The learning experiences should not be taken to mean that the learning experiences are strictly delineated. The cone of experience should not be taken literally. Even from the base of the cone, which is the direct purposeful experience, we already use words or verbal symbol, which are the most abstract. The pinnacle of the cone across the cone from the top of the bottom. That's all. Thank you for watching. May mali-mali ako,